William Shakespeare, born in 1564 in Stratford-upon-Avon, is celebrated as one of the greatest playwrights and poets in the English language. His works have shaped literature for over 400 years, with his plays and sonnets continuing to captivate audiences around the world. Shakespeare's talent spanned many genres, and his mastery in depicting human nature, love, power, betrayal, and the supernatural remains unparalleled. Among Shakespeare's most famous tragic plays is Hamlet, the story of a young prince who seeks revenge on his uncle Claudius, who murdered Hamlet's father to seize the throne. The play explores themes of indecision, morality, and madness, leading to a tragic ending that has resonated with audiences for centuries. Macbeth, another iconic tragedy, follows the rise and fall of the Scottish general Macbeth, whose ambition, fueled by a prophecy and his wife's encouragement, leads to murder and madness. Othello tells the tale of a noble Moorish general, Othello, whose life and marriage to Desdemona are destroyed by the manipulation of his ensign, Iago, leading to jealousy, murder, and tragedy. In King Lear, the aging King Lear divides his kingdom between his daughters, only to be betrayed and driven into madness. The play paints a poignant picture of power, family, and the consequences of pride and folly. Shakespeare's comedies showcase his wit, humor, and deep understanding of human nature. In A Midsummer Night's Dream, a forest filled with fairies and magic plays host to a series of misunderstandings and romantic entanglements, creating a delightful and whimsical narrative. As You Like It is a comedy of love and identity, where the heroine Rosalind, disguised as a man, navigates a series of romantic misunderstandings in the Forest of Arden. Measure for Measure offers a complex exploration of justice, morality, and hypocrisy, set in a corrupt Vienna where characters face difficult moral dilemmas. In The Tempest, the final play of Shakespeare's career, the sorcerer Prospero uses magic and his wit to resolve conflicts and restore order, blending themes of forgiveness, reconciliation, and the supernatural with elements of comedy and romance. Shakespeare's historical plays also form an essential part of his legacy. Henry V focuses on the English king's leadership, his victory at the Battle of Agincourt, and the responsibilities of kingship, capturing both the glory and the cost of war. Richard III explores the ruthless rise to power of King Richard III, whose devious machinations and moral corruption lead to his ultimate downfall, portraying one of Shakespeare's most memorable villains. In addition to his plays, Shakespeare's sonnets have made a lasting impact on poetry. Sonnet 18, with its famous opening line, "Shall I compare thee to a summer's day?" immortalizes the beauty of the beloved, suggesting that their beauty will live forever in the poem. Sonnet 29, in which the poet contemplates despair and loneliness, concludes with the uplifting power of love. "For thy sweet love remembered such wealth brings, that then I scorn to change my state with kings." Sonnet 116 is perhaps one of his most famous, celebrating the enduring and unshakable nature of true love. "Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments." Shakespeare's ability to capture the full spectrum of human experience, from the tragic to the comic, from the historical to the supernatural, continues to be a testament to his genius. His plays and sonnets remain an integral part of the literary canon, influencing writers, actors, and readers across the world.